In a stand mixer bowl, add in the melted chocolate. Add the warm water to dilute the chocolate. Add in oil. Add the Bailey's Irish Creme. Add in 2 large eggs. Whisk until all the ingredients are smooth. In the same bowl, sift in the all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt and baking soda. In the kitchen mixer, stir until the ingredients are well combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula. Add in vinegar. Add the vanilla essence to the batter. Mix the batter until smooth. The batter will be little thick. Place the cupcake liners in the baking tray. Fill the liners up to 3/4 of the cups. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake the cupcakes for 18 minutes. Use a toothpick to check if the cake is fully baked. The cake is done when the toothpick comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool completely. For the frosting, in a stand mixer, beat the butter on a medium speed for 30 seconds or until smooth. Add in salt and vanilla extract on a low speed. Add in fresh cream. Add in Bailey's. And slowly add 1 cup at a time the powdered sugar. Beat on a low speed until all the ingredients are mixed well. If the frosting is too thick, you can always add a spoon of heavy cream to thin it. I'm using a piping bag with a star tip. Fill the piping bag with the frosting. Once the cupcakes are cooled completely, poke with a fork. Add few drops of Bailey's on the top of the cakes. Pipe a small dollop of Bailey's frosting on the center of each cupcake. Dip each chocolate cupcake in a bowl filled with chocolate sprinkles. Finally, top each cupcake with a large dollop of Bailey's frosting, and the cupcakes are done.